Jupiter. Facts about Jupiter, related images, curious facts and bonus questions with answers. Hi friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Young Buddies Knowledge World. Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every society and every family. Told by Kofi Annan. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the entire solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is so enormous that its mass is more than twice the mass of all other planets combined. If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be the size of a basketball. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet and planet having the highest gravity. Facts about Jupiter. Distance from the Sun is 778.3 million kilometers. Equatorial diameter is 1,39,822 kilometers. Atmospheric temperature is minus 150 degrees Celsius. Rotational period is 9 hours and 50 minutes. Orbital period is 11.86 Earth years. Number of moons is 79. Jupiter is the giant of the solar system. Jupiter spins on its axis faster than any other planet. It completes a rotation in less than 10 hours. Jupiter is 11 times wider than Earth. What are the peculiarities of Jupiter's rings? Jupiter has rings within rings, an inner halo, a main ring, and a gossamer ring make up the ring system of Jupiter. In fact, the gossamer ring is 2 rings. The rings of Jupiter are wide and thin. The rings of Jupiter are composed of dust particles. Jupiter is made up of its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen gas and helium gas like the Sun. The planet is covered in thick red, brown, yellow and white clouds and a small rocky core at the center. Climatic conditions. Jupiter is a very stormy planet. There are storms found throughout the atmosphere and most of the storms seem to never end. The many different cloud formations and storms in the atmosphere also make Jupiter a very colorful planet. A day on Jupiter. Although Jupiter is the biggest planet, it has the shortest day among all the planets. A day on Jupiter lasts only about 10 hours, which is all it takes for Jupiter to rotate or spin around its axis once. Naturally, Jupiter's rotation is the fastest of all the other planets. Due to the rapid rotation of the planet, it flattens slightly at the poles, giving it an oblate shape. A year in Jupiter. Jupiter makes a complete orbit around the Sun in about 11.86 Earth years. A year in Jupiter, therefore, is 4,333 Earth days. Does Jupiter have seasons? Jupiter has no seasons. This is because Jupiter's equator is tilted with respect to its orbital path around the Sun by just 3 degrees. This means Jupiter spins almost upright in transit. Therefore, the planet does not have seasons as extreme as other planets do. Why is Jupiter hot and cold at the same time? Jupiter Jupiter is colder than Antarctica. The surface temperature of Jupiter is minus 150 degrees Celsius. The surface of Jupiter is a thick mass of ice that never melts as it receives hardly any light or heat from the sun. Jupiter is 5 times farther away from the sun when compared to the Earth. The Great Red Spot. The reddish appearance is known as the Great Red Spot and is a very special feature of the planet. The Great Red Spot is thought to be a huge storm. Winds spiral upwards, carrying gases to great heights in the atmosphere where they react with the sunlight. This causes them to release phosphorus, which produces the red color. The Great Red Spot is located on the southern edge of the South Equatorial Belt. Moons of Jupiter. Jupiter has a total of 79 moons. Among them, Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto are the 4 largest ones. Interestingly, 12 of Jupiter's moons move counterclockwise around the planet, while the outer 4 travel in the opposite direction. The moon Ganymede. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is bigger than the planet Mercury. It has a diameter of 5,262.4 kilometers. The moon Io. Io is similar in size to our moon. It has a diameter of 3,643.2 kilometers. Io is the innermost Galilean satellite. Yellow-orange sulfur spewed out by active volcanoes cover its surface. With a diameter of 3,121 kilometers, Europa is the smallest of the 4 moons. Its smooth, icy surface resembles a cracked eggshell. It is the smallest of Galilean moons. The moon Callisto. Callisto is the outermost of the Galilean moons. The diameter of Callisto is 4,820 kilometers. Is it true that Jupiter's moon may have life? Jupiter's moon Europa is one of the likeliest places to find life in our solar system. It is covered with a thick crust of ice. The ice looks smooth like frozen water, but it also has many cracks. Scientists think there is a liquid ocean beneath the ice. Wherever there is water, life could possibly exist there. Besides that, in May 2018, astronomers provided supporting evidences of water vapor plumes in Europa, strengthening our hopes of finding life outside our planet. Even though we are not very sure about it yet, there is a fair chance of water and therefore life on this moon. What are man's attempts at exploring Jupiter? The Pioneer missions by NASA were unmanned space missions that obtained the first closest images of Jupiter's atmosphere and several of its moons. Launched in 1977, NASA's Voyager missions improved the understanding of the Galilean moons and discovered Jupiter's rings. The next mission to encounter Jupiter was the Ulysses Solar Probe, which was launched in 1990. The first spacecraft to orbit Jupiter was the Galileo probe, which entered orbit on 7th December 1995. NASA's Juno mission entered Jupiter's orbit on July 5, 2016. The next planned mission to the Jovian system is the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, is also called as JUICE, will be launched in 2022. Here is a curious fact about Jupiter. Jupiter's gravity. A man who weighs 100 kilograms on Earth will weigh 254 kilograms on Jupiter. The gravitational force of Jupiter is 2.54 times that of the Earth. Here is the next one. Jupiter's size. If Jupiter were hollow, more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Next, brightness. Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in the night sky, one of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye. Another curious fact about Jupiter is planetary rings. We usually associate rings with Saturn. However, both Jupiter and Uranus have ring systems of their own. Next, volcanic moon. Jupiter's closest moon, Io, is orange and yellow because of the sulfur from its volcanic activities. Okay friends, now let's move on to bonus questions and answers. The biggest planet in the solar system. The answer is Jupiter. Next question. Jupiter is a gas giant. Next. Planet having the highest gravity is Jupiter. Next question is rotational period of Jupiter. The answer is 9 hours 50 minutes. The next question, number of moons for Jupiter. The answer is 79. Jupiter is dash times wider than the Earth. The answer is 11. Next, fifth planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Next question, a year in Jupiter is dash Earth days. 4,333 Earth days. Next, fastest spinning planet is Jupiter. Next question, dash is the largest moon in the entire solar system. The answer is Ganymede. Who discovered the 4 biggest moons of Jupiter? The answer is Galileo in 1610. Next, 4 biggest moons of Jupiter known as dash. The answer is Galilean satellites. Next, the oldest moon of Jupiter is Callisto. Next question, Jupiter's closest moon is Io. Dash moon is orange and yellow due to its volcanic activities. The answer is Io. A special feature of reddish appearance in Jupiter is The great red spot. Next, the great red spot in Jupiter is dash. The answer is a huge storm. The red color in Jupiter is due to phosphorus. The next question, the next planned mission to the Jovian system is dash. The answer is JUICE. The full form of JUICE is Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer. The next question, JUICE mission will be launched by dash in dash. The European Space Agency in 2022. Okay friends, that's all about Jupiter. In the next video, I will see you all with Saturn. Thank you for supporting. If you like my video, please just subscribe my channel.